Let's talk now about notes and homework. For this class, you are required to take notes. You're required to print or download the blank chapter note packet that I provided in Canvas and take thorough, complete notes for each section as you're watching the video lessons. It's important that you're showing all of your work just like I do in the videos. It's important that you're completing all problems that I've provided. You must submit a copy of your completed notes in Canvas at the end of the chapter. Please make sure that you follow the requirements in Canvas for completing and submitting this document, or you'll receive no credit for your notes. So some of the requirements are that your pictures are clear, that all of your problems have full work and are completed, that all of your pages are in order, and they're compiled into one document with multiple pages. If you have any questions on notes, please let me know, but this is a really important aspect of the course. This is how you're going to learn the material, just like if we were in class together. Homework. Homework is used to help you reinforce the mathematical concepts. So it's important that you're practicing the material by doing the homework. Homework is required and is assigned, completed, and submitted and graded all online through my math lab. Online assignments correspond to all the different sections that we cover in the notes. So there's one assignment for each section, making sure that you're careful with each due date for each homework section. Okay? It is important that you're using the homework to practice because you can't expect to master the mathematics without practicing. Since all of our exams are based on the material that we cover, it's important that you practice before you take the exams. Homework is mandatory and worth a total of 20% of your final grade. Now you should all be able to get 100% in that homework category because you're able to do every single problem over and over again until you get the right answer. And not just until you get that green check mark, but really until you fully understand what's going on. So you can always do similar problems of the same problem in order to make sure that you're really understanding the material. Okay, it is tempting to be casual when working on the computer, especially for these online classes, but it is really important that you're organizing your work and that you're showing all of your work because that's what you're going to be expected to do on exam day. So it's important that you practice while you're doing your homework so that you're comfortable showing your work on the exam day. Okay. If you've completed the homework and you still don't understand, then do more homework. Right? The problems that I've assigned are just a minimal amount. If you're not understanding, then do similar problems. Within each problem, there is question help opportunities in my math lab that you're able to look at other examples, possibly extra videos, and then even practice similar problems to make sure that you fully understand before moving on. Okay? You should probably expect to spend at least 6 to 8 hours each week just on homework. So that's in addition to watching the video lessons, taking notes, studying, all of that stuff. You've crammed this all into an 8-week class. Remember I said I wasn't sure if you were smart or crazy or maybe a little bit of both. So it's important that you're spending a lot of time doing this class in order to be successful. And a lot of that comes from practicing by doing the homework. So make sure that you've scheduled time in your day to look at the course, to watch the videos, to take notes, and then to do as much practice as you need to for each homework assignment.